BNB stands strong near the $600 area as the Osaka Mendel hard fork becomes the next real test for the network. The price story is not only a chart setup. Node operators need to upgrade, and users are watching whether faster finality and fee improvements can arrive without disruption. That makes the support zone and the upgrade timeline part of the same story. Read the opening through BNB and $600 support. The useful tension is whether $687 break turns the first signal into a durable development rather than a short-lived reaction. The confirmed setup is that BNB pushed close to $640, then pulled back into the $620 to $630 range while holding above the broader $600 support area. The hard fork is expected to require node operators to keep systems compatible. The article also points to fast finality, gas limit modifications, and stronger mobile compatibility as the core upgrade pieces. The context is anchored by Osaka Mendel. With hard fork stage already in view, the next claim has to clear the threshold of compatibility before it deserves more weight. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. BNB stands strong only if the mechanism delivers. Fast finality means transactions can be considered settled much more quickly. Gas limit changes can help reduce congestion and stabilize fees when network traffic rises. Mobile compatibility matters because security and access increasingly depend on users interacting from phones. These are practical improvements, not just technical labels. The working layer is fast finality. Its current signal, gas limit, matters because mechanics decide whether a headline becomes usable infrastructure, tradable depth, or only a narrative. The stress test is stress test because a mechanism only matters if it holds after the first announcement, price move, or operational change. That keeps attention on observable follow-through instead of assumption. The impact falls on traders, node operators, app builders, and everyday users. Traders care because the $600 support area helps define whether the bullish structure remains intact. Builders care because faster settlement and steadier fees can make applications easier to use. Node operators carry the operational burden because compatibility depends on their systems moving with the upgrade. The scope is defined by BNB users. The condition to track is $620 to $630, because that tells us whether the impact is concentrated, widening, or still waiting for a clearer response. The unresolved part is whether the price setup confirms and whether the upgrade lands cleanly. A double bottom pattern is only meaningful if BNB breaks above the $687 neckline. Momentum indicators may support the bullish case, but leveraged trading instruments add another source of volatility. Defending $600 matters. Losing it would weaken the setup before the hard fork proves itself. The evidence gap centers on price pattern. The limitation, $687 neckline, keeps the analysis from overstating the outcome before $600 loss arrives. This is where $600 loss becomes the discipline check. Until that arrives, $687 neckline should stay separate from the larger claim around price pattern. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. For BNB Stands Strong, the next signal is a clean Osaka Mendel implementation paired with market follow-through above key levels. Watch node upgrade status, fee behavior, transaction finality, and whether price can challenge $687 after holding support. If the network upgrade works but price cannot break resistance, the story becomes adoption progress without confirmed market momentum. The closing read depends on $687 test. Pair that with clean upgrade, and the market or user impact becomes easier to judge without guessing ahead of the evidence. The closing read should stay tied to Osaka Mendel and clean upgrade, because those pieces show whether the watch item has real follow-through or remains unresolved.